Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our the revision for our unit test. So students, today I have written that on that some problems and we have to solve very carefully. And same types of problems also, extra other things also from the textbooks also you should refer where. Okay, so come on friends. First of all, I have written that first question you have looked. Here A and B are the two questions I have given. You should observe. The first question you should see students, already I have told when the numbers are in bracket, first of all simplify inside the bracket. So solve that bracket first friends is equal to 5 square means 25 plus 6 square means 36 whole power 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means root over this cube is equal to R2. How much students will come? 5 plus 6 is 11, 1, 61. 61 root over 1 by 2 whole power 3. Friends, this is not possible because it is odd number, that's why we can write direct power to power also, we can multiply 61 power 1 by 2 into 3 is equal to 61 power 3 by 2. We can write it like this way. Okay. So next friends, we can solve this one. First of all, is equal to 3 power 4 is equal to 81 into, or we can by that exponent law 3 power 4 plus 1 whole square, 3 power 5 whole square. We will power to power multiply 3 power 7. Okay. Students, this is our also answer. If you multiply also 3 into 3 into 3 7 times, you can get your answer also. Okay. So now students observe here. Here given that second question, second bit, find the square root of the following. By that we have to do by division method or we can do by any methods. So first of all we will try to that prime factorization method. 40401. What will go students? 9 equal to 3 it will go. Okay. So 3 1 ja 3, 10, 3 3 ja 9, 14, 3 4 ja 12, 20, 3 6 ja 18, 2, 3 7 ja. Now how much will go students? 21 is there, 10, 21, so 3 will go, 3 4 ja 12, 14, 3 4 ja 12, 26, 3 8 ja 24, 2 3 9 ja. Now how much students? We can take a for 80, 16, 7, take C 7 whether it is going or not. 7 7 7 ja 49, 7 6 ja 42, 28, 7 4 ja 7 4 ja 28 not going. So we can take a 13 we can see. 13 also want to go friends. 43 see. 43 into 43, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 4 3 ja 12, 1 4 4 ja 16, 1 17. Now we can take a 63, 16 out, 67. Yes, now 67 see students, 67 ja. So whatever we got students, now we got that we can write in 40401 is equal to, what is writing? 3 into 3 into 67 into 67. If root over we are finding this root over this 2 is equal to 3 into 67 is equal to 67 into 3 201. So this is our answer, friends. Okay, now we can go do this second problem, friends. Observe, friends, it is one pattern like it is there. If you want, you can understand 1 2 3 4 3 2 1, that means 4. So 4 ones square it is. So 1 2 3 4 3 2 1 square root it is equal to up to 4 means 1 2 3 4 whole square. Remember, friends, already I have told in pattern, if 1 2 3 4 3 2 1 like that, what is the highest number? 4. That means 4 ones are square. Okay, so if root over it will do is equal to 1 1 1 1 1111. Okay, friends, now we will do this third bits by using division methods. Okay, so 0.000925 we will do by division method. What we will do, friends? First of all, make it okay. If you put 0 here, already 0, so 0 0.0 we will put 0. Now double 0 it came, so put again one more 0. Okay, so now what you will do? Here 0 is there already, so now it will come 90. So what will keep here? What you can do? Now whatever that number will keep here, 8 9 9 ja 81 will come. 9 9 ja 81. Okay, so 9. Next it will come 2 5. 9 9 if you add 18. Okay, so almost all 5 you can take. How much will go? 18 5 ja 5 5 ja 25. 2 5 8 ja 42. 42 4. So 4 1 ja 4 9 25. So 5 will go. This you can write 5. So 925 0. So that answer is, friends, how much will get, friends? We got a 0.000925 root over is equal to 0.0095. This is our answer. Okay, friends, so same like, friends, we can do this side. Division 3136 root over is equal to 3136 division do double double 4 5 5 ja 6 1 go 5 5 ja 25 6 here 5 are 2 10 here 36 will come here, friends. So we can put 6 is a 36 3 6 1 ja 0 will come, so 6 0. So hence the 3136 root over is equal to 56. Okay, friends, I hope you have understand about that square root, especially by the division methods, and how to evaluate these problems. You have understand. Thank you all of you. Next we will see that our exam pattern, and with that some problems in the next video. Thank you.